Welcome to today's video, where we dive into an interesting problem encountered while working on a project for a college design patterns course. The problem revolves around a peculiar behavior related to the use of the var keyword in Java 11. It's a scenario where access restrictions of the access modifier can be bypassed by using var. The key question here is, what type of alias does var actually represent in this context? Let's explore this intriguing problem further. Upon delving into the solution, we discover that var in Java is a powerful tool that allows for type inference by the compiler. In the provided example code snippet, we see a demonstration where var is utilized to declare a variable without explicitly specifying its type. The type inferred for the variable p in the code snippet is derived from the initializer expression, which in this case involves an anonymous local class. This class type is undenominable, meaning it cannot be explicitly specified. Despite this, var enables the compiler to reason about and represent the type effectively. Moving on with the exploration of the solution, we come across the next snippet of code where an object of type InnerParent is created. This demonstrates that even without the use of var, the compiler can handle expressions where the type may not be immediately accessible in the current context. The compiler is capable of understanding the type of the expression being assigned to a variable, even if that type may not be directly accessible within the code. Continuing our analysis of the provided solution, we encounter another code snippet where an attempt is made to call the getClass method on an object. However, due to the restricted access to the class or interface, a compilation error occurs. This illustrates that the issue of inaccessible types is not exclusive to the use of var, but rather a broader aspect of Java's type handling. Lastly, wrapping up our discussion, it's important to note that the behavior observed in the examples is not specific to var but has been inherent in Java for quite some time. The use of var simply provides a more concise and expressive way to handle type inference in such scenarios. Remember, when it comes to Java programming, understanding the nuances of type inference and access restrictions is crucial for writing efficient and error-free code. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this Java puzzler intriguing, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!